In the world of espresso, all latte art tells a story of persistence and the pursuit of perfection, of trial and error and success. Tell your story with the Flair Milk Pitcher. Developed with a 400 milliliter capacity, precision measurement markings, an integrated thermometer slot, and a spout design that guides every pour, from cappuccinos to cortados. And this latte art jug solves the age-old debate of pouring with or without a handle. Because with the Flair Milk Pitcher, you can do both. Pour with the handle or remove it and grip the heat-resistant silicone sleeve. Whether you're building your base or jetting your finish, pour your way with perfect comfort, control, and consistency. The Flair Milk Pitcher, designed by home baristas, perfected by coffee professionals, endorsed by champions. Pour your story with the Flair Milk Pitcher.